Hey, Eric Sider here, and in this video I'm going to be harvesting some Azolla to give to the chickens, and then I'm going to see how fast it doubles in size. It's supposed to be 3 to 7 days in ideal conditions, so I got 4 foot by 4 foot kiddie pool here, so it's 16 square feet, so I'm going to be harvesting 8 square feet. All right, let's get into it. Let's go see how the chickies like it. Alright, chickies. We got some Azolla for you guys. Just give them a minute to understand there's new food in there. Come on, chickies. Oh yeah. What's that? Ooh, tasty goodness. Alright, well, we'll leave the chickens to their Azolla and duckweed party, and I'll be back in about a week and see how our Azolla reproduced. Okay, so it has been a week and the Azolla has not quite doubled. It's pretty close, but I suspect the shorter days now as we're getting into winter is probably the main culprit, keeping the production down, but it's still pretty good, and it'll just mean if I was going to try and do this all inclusively on site, I'd probably need more total surface area of Azolla. And now so I'm going to take half of this and add it to the what is now the cattail bed, and so I'll have double production going there. All right, so not quite the production I was hoping for, but this late in the season I think it's still pretty good, and it definitely can be scaled up and make a serious dent in your chicken feed or requirements for outside chicken feed. Again, Azolla and duckweed both very high in protein, and Azolla has the added benefit of being a nitrogen fixer, so great for the compost, great for the chickens, really easy to grow. You only need small space, and you can definitely scale this up and have at it. All right, as always, the bomb permaculture shirts are in the shop. Link will be below. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you next time.